just did a meditation with music and essence, and those are special for my root chakra. And I want to talk a little bit about chakras now. It's been a while since I've made videos, and that's because I've been changing a lot lately. And I've been changing because of something Jung called synchronicity, but that's something I would like to address in another video. I just want to talk about chakras now. And when I think about it, you can see my throat chakra is open. I can't do it on command, but when I think about chakras, sometimes they start to move, and I think that's really incredible. I was in a Tantra festival, and some of you guys may have seen, if you're familiar with it, that people have this Kundalini energy in their body when they are shaking or trembling. And I thought, well, I didn't really have thoughts about it, and I think that also has to do with Muji. When I was in Muji's satsang, he said, don't pay attention to those shaking things, it just is what it is. But when I noticed, someday I was just in a Tantra festival at a workshop where I did an exercise with Kabira, and she had this amazing monk chanting music that really did something with my body. Really amazing. I don't know what happened, but it felt so powerful that I went looking on the internet for more of that kind of music, and I found a third eye with a special hertz, special frequency, musical frequency, to open the third eye, which is the sixth chakra. And when I listened to that one while doing meditation, at some point I just felt my eyebrows went up without me, like this, without me actually telling them to do so. And that's when I thought, well, wow, these chakras are real. Because before I thought synchronicity and this, the universe, the subconscious mind, all had to do with something materialistic in the brain. But when I went to Portugal, and I went to talk with a man about quantum physics in the Terramada commune. He told me about it, and he set something in motion. And now I've read a lot of books about quantum physics, which I'm not going to go into right now. But chakras are a very important part of higher planes, astral planes, etherical planes, where my soul is going to go. And I'm preparing it now by balancing my chakras, also my current life, of course. I don't know if I'm saying it right, because I'm still a bit new to all these concepts, but my body certainly knows what to do. My body is not new to this, and I noticed that now that I became more aware of opening my third eye, and you know, all these chakras, these seven chakras, they all have a special meaning, which why they are so interesting to me right now is that the changes that I'm making in my life correspond with the chakras that are trembling in my body. So my heart chakra was the one that started, that was the first one. Then my third eye opened, and then my throat. And I think my third one is also open. I felt it today, it's here. I felt it right now when I did the meditation, and I also felt my throat. This yesterday morning I felt the first time my root chakra. was my anus was like kind of moving, but just once at the end of a meditation. Really amazing, because it means that I'm kind of getting rid of my neediness a little bit, and my sexuality is kind of becoming more stable and normal at the moment, and that's something I'm noticing. My chakras are getting aligned more and more, and actually the second chakra um, is the one for the sexuality, but I'm opening my first chakra now, because I really notice that I'm not getting what I want in my stability life, according to like I'm using the wrong word sometimes. Uh, so my root chakra being not aligned kind of makes me feel insecure and irresponsible to to manage the things in my life, like having children and wanting to live in a polyamorous community has to do, according to a spiritual dietist that I visited lately, uh, with my lower chakra. So if I open my lower chakra, I will have more. Maybe I might change my mind about being polyamorous, which is freaking me out. But this is a good thing that is freaking me out, because to feel like shit, that probably also this woman, she um, she told me that she had seen me with one woman, and that's not real time, because she had never seen me before, but she sees me with one woman, so that's in the future, and that freaks me out. But I know that she is right about responsibilities, and that I can um, um, heal and stop wasting time on getting this community, trying to live in a commune, in a polyamorous commune, in a tribe. And my second chakra is also still closed, and that one has to do with sexuality. So that one, yeah, so it has to do with why I was addicted to pickup and stuff like that. And then if they're all aligned, then maybe I can open my crown chakra. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated and show you a little shot of this beautiful nature that I just discovered. Oh, well, my back hurts today. So yeah, this is amazing, right? Good energy in this nature. Good energy. No disturbance. Just all the energy. So you can think I'm crazy, but that's okay. If you wanna watch. If you don't. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching anyway.